What up, fam? This is your boy Dooley, aka Mr. Do Work. Want to give you guys a quick tutorial. I'm calling this the pocket how-tos. Basically what this is when you're at the gym and you know you have a workout, you're looking at your list, but you don't know what the exercise is. You could just reference here. I'm going to start adding a ton on my page, and today what we're going to show you is the Romanian deadlift. So basically, this is what you want to do. Some keys right here. You want to keep your back straight with a slight extension in the back. So we're going to be focusing on the glutes and the hamstrings. And so what we're going to do, you're going to bend forward. Now, what you don't want to do is flex at the bottom here. Flexion. We don't want that. That's how you can hurt your back. Now, when we go down, I'm going to show you the video exactly what to do, but I'm giving you guys quick, brief things to remember. And that is, we're going to be stretching at the hamstrings, and you're going to go as far as you can go down, where you don't compromise the extension in your back. If you go too far, you'll start to bend at your lower back, and that's not what we want. So, hope this helps you. Much love, it's your boy Dooley. Okay, with this Romanian deadlift movement, you want to have a slight bend in your knees. You're going to feel the stretch in your hamstrings and your glutes. And as you come through, shoot through, squeeze your glutes at the top, right there. Don't shrug your shoulders, squeeze. You're going to feel that stretch in your hamstrings and your glutes. And if your mobility is not quite there yet, don't force it because you don't want to go into flexion. Keep it tight, good movement, take your time.